Ah, you've returned my grandfather's hammer. Thank you, hero. Ah, I see you've also slain the dragon of Schmagenrog using a sword of Vikendi. Thank you again, hero.
Shop.
What can I do you for?
2 steel ingots.
Coming right up.
What is going on?
Oh, don't mind us.
It's pretty hard not to.
We're just here for in-world ambiance.
Well, if you could not, that would be appreciated.
Well, sorry, friend. It's our job. We've got to.
Well, I think you sound great.
Adventurer, thank you for returning my sheep to me. Here's your reward.
Shop.
What would you like to buy?
2 health potions.
Right away.
Okay, we're doing this. This is happening. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Yes. Oh.
Oh my god!
Do you guys like it? Do you like it?
Yeah, big Npc Man.
Hey guys, thanks very much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a button right down there.